Hey guys, so welcome to Codewell, and today we are going to discuss a problem called summary ranges. So before we discuss a problem, if you haven't checked out the videos which we have already uploaded, to check that out. There are a lot of DSA videos and development videos too. So there are a lot of videos coming in the future. So do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. So let's come back to a question. So what is the question? So question is, they have given a sorted unique integer array, and what we have to do is return the smallest sorted list of ranges that covers all numbers in an array exactly. That is, each array element of nums is covered by exactly one of the range. There is no integer x such that x is one of the ranges but not in nums. I know you didn't understand. Let's get to the example. So in this example, they are given 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. So what they're asking us to find is, we have to find everything. I mean, we have to just find the range. It's like, for example, let's take this first. As I mentioned, the first example, it consists of 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Right? In this 0 to 2, 0 to, if you observe from 0, 1, 2, there is everything from 0 to 2, right? In the range of 0 to 2. uh, you agree or not? There is everything from 0 to 2. There is, in between 0 to 2, there is 1, right? In between 0 to 2, what comes? 1 itself, right? So you can say that every numbers which is ranging from 0 to 2, it's covered, right? So basically you can just eliminate this and just write it as 0 gives to 2, right? As they have mentioned here, if the range is between a to b, output it as a slash a gives rise to b. If a is not equal to b, if it is equal to b, then just display a. Oh, when do we get this case? We get this case, for example, in this, after 2, there is no 3, right? So, okay, we can't include 0 to 4 here, right? We can't take a range from 0 to 4, because in the range of 0 to 4, 3 is missing. You can't take it. So, 0 to 2 will be one range. Then, after this one, 4 and 5 will be one range, right? Because in 4 and 5 range, both 4 and 5 are present, right? You can't take 4 to 7, because if you are taking from range 4 to 7, 6 is not included. So we have to take only 4 to 5, that is 4 to 5. Then 7, see, after 5 there is no number, and after 7 there is no number, so 7 is alone, right? There is no range. So it's between 7 to 7, that is a equal to b, right? So we just display 7. If you are not still clear, let's see the other example. So let's go to presentation. uh, let's see this example now. So basically in this example, as you can see, of after 0 there is no 1, right? If there was 1 in between, we can say that 0 to 4, there you can put a range, right? You could have written 0 to 4, because 1 is present, 2 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present. So 0 to 4, in the range of 0 to 4, every numbers are present if there was 1, but there is no 1. So since this is the only range, so what we have to do is, we just have to display it singly, right? Just display it singly. And next, we have already pushed this into our vector of strings. Next you can see it, there is 2, 3, 4, so it is in a continuous way, right? So can you say that you can take a range from 2 to 4? Can you say it? You can say it, right? Because in between 2 and 2 to 4, 3 is coming. All the numbers are coming. So you can say 2 to 4. After this, you don't have 5, you don't have 6, you have 6, but after 6 you don't have 7, before 6 you don't have 5, so this is alone, right? In this, a is equal to 6, b is also equal to 6, so this will be alone, so this will be displayed alone. A 0 will be displayed alone, and 2 to 4 will be displayed like this. 2 to 4, 6 will be displayed alone, and 8 and 9 it is continuous, right? So you can say 8 gives rise to 9, right? So how are we going to solve this? Just it's very easy. Just we have to see where the low and the high comes. What low and high am I referring here? In this low, in the sense, if for example, if the number we just have to check if the number is continuous or not. If it is continuous, just uh, I mean, just take the range where it starts and where it ends, and just display it. If it is not continuous, then it's obvious that we have to check that if the the starting point and the ending point is same. If the both, let's take the starting point as L, let's take the ending point as H. Okay, so in this case, if starting point is L and ending point is H, if both are not equal, then we can just say that 2 gives to 4. In the if in this case, in this 6 case, if both L double equal to H, that is both 6 equal to 6, you have to display it alone. That's how we are going to do this. So it's very easy. Let me just code it so that you will understand it better. So as I said, first thing first, we have to take a vector of string. Let's name it as v, and let's take something like low and high, and let's take a for loop which goes from uh, nums dot size of I plus plus, and in this what we are doing, we are just randomly we are saying L equal to, we are just setting the L equal to the first element, that is nums of I, and we say that while I plus 1 is greater than nums dot size and nums of uh, nums of I equal to nums of I plus 1 minus 1, right? Writing nums of I plus 1 minus I nums of I equal to 1, and writing this both are similar, right? I hope you are getting what I meant. See, uh, writing nums of I plus 1 minus nums of I double equal to 1 is both similar, right? You're just shifting the num plus this one to this side. I mean, nums of I to this side and 1 to this side, both are same, right? So uh, till this till this is happening, just say I plus plus, because we know that it is equal. If it's equal means just carry on till you get the element which is not equal, right? So after this happens, just set I to nums, right? Because this is the point where we see that of next element doesn't have the element which is equal to 1. So then we can just check, then it's just checking if L double equal to H. What we have to do is we just have to push back L, right? Else what we are doing, we dot push back just I'm sorry, you have to do it to string, right? to string because we are uh, displaying string value. So to string, cool. So in this case also, what we have to do is we have to what is this else condition if these are not equal, right? If this is not equal, what did we find here? If this is not, if a is not equal to b, you have to display it as a dash b. We are doing the same thing. In this, the case is L and H. So L dash H we have to do, right? So that's what we are doing. So plus plus toString of H, right? I think we are done. Let us check. Then just return v. Let's just run and check this once. It has worked. Let's submit. It has worked, yeah. So that is pretty much it from today's video. If you like the content or like the video, do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Keep coding. Bye.